Really love working these flats sometime. Ooh, fish on! Hartman Adventures at them, man. Yeah, man, what's going on again, people? What's going on? Yeah, man, I'm out here this morning very early. Try to see if I can throw some lures this morning, you know. You know, I want like a spot where very quiet. So I try to be as quiet as possible. See if I can try a little bit of top water. Water around here very flat and glassy this morning. You guys can see that? Yeah, man, water look glassy, so I try to see if I can try some top water this morning. See if I can get any bites on it. So yeah, just stick around, man. You guys will definitely see if I catch anything this morning. But if I don't get anything here, I'm gonna shift to another spot still. So yeah, man, just stick around. Remember to hit the like, share, subscribe. Yeah, man, just stay tuned and see what I go on. First gas. Right, no one chase yet. Really love working these flats sometime. Ooh, fish on! Whoa! Jug is loose. Whoa! That's a nice barra. Whoa, I got my stuff in some leaves. Nice barra on the top water. Woo! Alright. Alright, relax yourself a bit. I don't want this line to get cut off. Alright, which way? Which way did it go? Up. Really thin line, guys. Really thin line. It's a nice little barra. Woo. Wow. Jug was way too loose there. Look at him. Nice little barra today, guys. Them size here, very nice to eat. The one I go see curry this week. Yeah, man, a long time I get one nice little barra that size. So yeah, see if I can curry that one this week. Woo. That was a nice blow up. It's hooked real good too. Alright guys, just stick around. See if I can get out them hooks here and try again. Try see if I can make another cast. That fish could have get away so easily a while ago, guys, because my drag was extremely loose. Forgot to set my drag before I cast. That was a nice little blow up though. When I try setting my hook, the line, cause the drag was loose, the line went over a branch. Nice little topwater blow up. Not like early morning topwater fishing, guys. Trust me. Whew. If tarpons were here, I've never seen a tarpon here. But if you're fishing in an area where tarpons are, and you can get them topwater blow ups there, trust me. Whew. Awesome, awesome fishing. What's that? What's that? Something is on it. Something is on it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Wow. Something was on it all the way into my feet. Nice little topwater action. Woo. Yeah. This is your first time on the channel, guys. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to you. I have a couple subscribers that I need to shout out because on my last video I did say if you're a new subscriber, I should leave it in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out. So I have a couple subscribers that I have to give a shout out to. I just have to go through the comments and shout out you guys. Yeah, man. A lot of you guys have been recent, seen a lot of you guys are recent subscribers as well. So yeah, big up on yourself, man, and welcome to Hartman Adventures. If you don't mind leaving it in the comment section, I would love to know where you guys are watching this video from. I would really love to know where you guys are watching from. Jamaica, Philippines, Canada, US, or which state you're watching from. If you're watching from the US, Canada, yeah, man, wherever you're watching from, I would really love to know that. I think I should have brought my ultralight rod. It would have been very fun out here. I have some really tiny lures that I think would work brilliantly out here. This is such a fun spot. I haven't been here for fishing in probably a year and a half. A very long time since I've been here fishing. Haven't been here fishing in a long time. Alright, so I found another topwater. This one is a, what do you call it now? Spook. Plug spook. Yeah, this one is a plug spook. Whew. This one is red palm my neck. Right, off a cover up. Alright, so this one give a walk the dog action. The other one before was a walk the dog as well, but it give you a slightly different action. If you take up, oh, if you notice with this one, have more side to side movement. Don't know if the camera can pick up the action on this one, but this one give you more big sways side to side than the one before. Right, I hear my phone ringing. Yeah, this probably is gonna be my last cast here. So yeah man, thanks again for tuning in. And as I said before, let me know where you guys watching from in the comment section. Yeah, I'm about to pack up and leave here right now. I got some stuff to sort through today, so only had a short time for this little session. I did say that was my last cast, and look at me casting out again. Yeah, just have a short session today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Only got one little barra, but yeah, was a nice one. I'll be putting some curry on it in the week. Yeah man, I might when I'm cooking it up, I might just do a catch and cook, so you guys can see a little bit more of the video. But yeah man, thanks again for tuning in, and catch you in the next adventure. Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.